1 in 8 women will suffer from breast cancer by the end of 2023. The statement was made yesterday by Health Minister Sapam Ranjan while speaking on the occasion of World Breast Cancer Awareness Day at Janims Hospital, which was organized by Karkino's Manipur Cancer Institute and Research Center Imphal. He stated that under the guidance of Chief Minister N. Biren, a door-to-door check for early detection of breast cancer has been started. He further added that many patients go to outside states of Manipur for treatment, and if cancer treatment is initiated by hospitals in the state, then it will be of great help for the patients, he added. With regard to the situation of Manipur, he stated that the state is returning to normalcy and various developmental works have been resumed. He also stressed that necessary help and support will be provided to the endeavors taken up by the Karkino's Manipur Cancer Institute and Research Center Imphal, while appreciating the works of the private hospitals being run in the state.
Awareness peer kanda we can go forward. Kangdraga di karino ay isa da kano lampama lera kay daw lampama lera ka ngatang pombo na khalaga di adam test ho ba detect ho ba ana yamna maru oi ba kano ni sige hospital si ai da music akoi ge professor da hangjabada CMHT PMJ wise odum cover to biena khali sisna prasad su yamna kan ba akoi health department ki we also on the verge of hopefully we State Cancer Institute how we are in talks with the ministry and I'm sure they would support us because yamna maruwe ba we gadori banina institute is yamna maruwe